Guys, welcome to Old Illuminator 11. So I just wanted to do you this little video just to show you where we are in Mamaya. Look how amazing this is. This is just beautiful, and the water is warm. I think it's about, I don't know, over 20 degrees. The water is. It's just wonderful. Oh, so beautiful. The sun is shining and everyone is out in the water having fun, enjoying themselves. Activities happening, boat rides, and all sorts. It is absolutely, absolutely wonderful. I just wanted to share this with you. This is how we're spending our Sunday today and tomorrow. Just hanging out by the beach, sitting, enjoying the sunshine, but also being in the shade because it's also quite hot. Like, it's really hot. It's like, I think today it's 29, 30 degrees, but absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I don't have a reception actually all day. I'll have to post this later when I go back to our hotel with Wi-Fi, but I just wanted to just do this quick video for you and just show you where we are. So by the time you see this, it'll be a bit later, but around lunchtime when I go for lunch. But this is just me walking here right now in so much gratitude and joy and just feeling amazing. You know, grounding, and with the sea as well. And I mean, it's really hot, but there is also this amazing breeze by the seaside, so it's actually not that bad. It is just wonderful. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you some sea and then I will come off. Sending you all so much love from Romania, in love with Romania.